Hello, what's up? Okay, so this is what's going on. It's now Friday night before Burning Man. So this is the junk pile. Currently we have, this is a laser on a piece of wood, which is for Colby's kaleidoscope. And it comes out here. Ta-da! And that nearly works, but not quite. And that will be connected to this chumby, which will output the pattern fitter plate. Now let's see on the junk pile. Also we have this. Doing some tidying up, but it's basically the servo controller board connected to that CPU, which drives up to 8 servos, which all have lasers on them. And here is another. This is another laser driver. So this is basically XY deflection, controlled by USB. So it's a USB sound card with extra amplifiers to shift the levels. And let's see what else we got. So those are going to go into the big sphere thing. What do we got? We've got more lasers on the ground. We've got piles of junk, power supplies, all sorts of fun things. We've got a bag of DC to DC converters that also converts all sorts of things to all sorts of other things. 12 volts to other things mainly. Here's some of the little servo things ready to go. You see that you've seen this before. So the laser mounted on top of the top servo mounted on the bottom servo, and connect to an Ethernet connector, which makes it very handy to connect them and disconnect them and stuff like that. Oh, what other things? You know, power connectors, and like boxes of stuff, and spare batteries, and everything. The usual piles of crap. And then coming into here, we have, this is the lab, as it were. So here we have bits and pieces again. These are the people sensors. So this goes around the base of the sphere, right at ground level, and detects people. We have more bits of things. That's for the Solex, that's the driver board. So this is the Solex, this is the XY table, and there's the controller for it, which all works and it moves around and stuff like that. It's just been finished off, and that's the table it will sit on. And you'll see the control panel in a minute. And then it has a metal top that fits over like this, sits on top of the whole thing, and has a little skirt made of fiberglass, because that's what we had, and it's flame proof. And you see the legs are covered in tinfoil, which gives it a kind of nice kind of homemade space thing look. So that's the solar thing. Then for the sphere, we have we have 2 different sorts of laser, right? This is the cool laser. This is it needs a mirror on it. So this is basically a galvo with a laser attached, pointing downwards, and so the laser beam goes downwards like here, or upwards, depending on which way up you orient the whole thing. And this is a stepper motor, and then you have a front surface mirror here, hello, which is glued onto a thing. And who'd have thought that glue would work so well? But it's epoxy. So I used epoxy because if I used hot glue, I feared it would get too hot and melt in the sun. So stick this on there, it does fit, honestly. Come on. There we go, that's the angle. Okay. On there, come on, there we go. So there you go, so that fits on there. And you see the laser beams coming down, and then this turns around. Hello, that's the laser pointing at you. And makes the laser go all around the equator of the sphere. So this may point up or it may point down, I'm not sure. I think probably down may be that way. So instead of being mounted on a plank of wood, it's mounted on a cylinder, and the cylinders all fit over the central pole of the sphere. This is the sound system for the amplifier for the sound system. So it's yet another of my favourite multi-channel USB sound cards, connected directly to a 8-channel or 6-channel digital amp, which is 25 watts a channel, or 12 volts of course. Here's the brain for the actual sphere, which is a Beagle board, which is a 500 megahertz crazy fast craziness thing with USB. And the USB is handy because we've got this is Bluetooth, so that you can use a Wii remote control with it, and it has Wi-Fi, and it has all sorts of other things. It has MIDI remote controllers, and it has several of these sound cards. Like I say, one of the sound cards is acting as is running a 6-channel sound system, and the other sound card is driving the galvos via some amplifiers. Now the final thing, the other lasers that are in the sphere are on here, which is basically a set of 5 of these servo laser heads, all with Ethernet connectors. So what I'll probably do is mount the rest of the electronics around the lower part of this here, and then have these sitting up here, and then this pops over the pole. So those are kind of coming along. Obviously, time is very short. It being Friday night, and Burning Man starting on Monday. Hello, Alison. Hello. Oh, Alison's got some pants. Check.
No, they're your pants.
Well, she made some pants for me. Oh my god. Oh, I like the little dongle at the front.
No.
Well, look, they're furry pants. It's awesome. Sweet. Work it, go. So yay. So we have that. We have the usual array of walkie-talkies, and oh, the signs. Alison, can you give me a hand quick demonstrating the signs? Okay, so we've got. I'll get on this way. Okay, scrap. These are all quality counts, you see, which is one of the things we're doing. So we've got scrap, quarantine. I've got a laser sign. Thank you, Alison. I've got a laser sign, but really it's about quality control. And oh yes. Here's my favourite. Oh. Obviously for early in the week. Yay! Ooh. The dreaded. Obviously, things can be dangerous. Still awaiting inspection. Oh, that's harsh. Another winner. Now, to make sure that safety really is third. Oh, we have a few repeats here. Anything interesting in there? Oh, yeah, non-conforming product. That's going to be a good one. Okay, now we also have these. Speaks for itself. You can see why these were pretty much a must buy when I found them on eBay. Oh yes, and there's more. We've done those. There we go. That's one. Board jet. Okay. Oh, the rest of it down. Here we go. A whole bunch of little tags for people. Do not touch. All kinds of stuff like that. So that's cool. Piles of junk. You can win life to life. Mouth to mouth even. All piles of junk. And then we have the garden. Oh, konjac syrup. Nice. And low. The garden. It's a bit of a mess right now, obviously. The sphere's holding up nicely. Notes to neighbours. Dear neighbours, sorry about the sphere. It'll be gone. It's awesome. Generator. Pile of crap. Speakers. Snow karaoke. Huge sphere. The control panel for the Solix, so the solar burner thing. This is going to be the size select, obviously for when it's done, doorbell. This doesn't really have a function, this pointer, but it'll turn in amusing ways. This is a pattern selector, and this is straight from Russia, is a 36-way rotary switch for doing the alphabet, so you can write your name in bacon. Now, of course, safety-wise, we have 9 finger putting. It's undefined what will happen when you do put your finger in there, but it will be something. And on the back, we have some warning signs, some bits and pieces. Has a nice doorbell here. Ding dong. And we have, so this thing is going to be on a big ass pole, which I'll show you in a second.